You search how to buy shares of Target Corp, which trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TGT. Target is a large retail chain selling groceries, home goods, and apparel across stores and online. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TGT to find the listing. Make sure you select the Target Corp entry that shows NASDAQ as the exchange. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company description and NASDAQ TGT to ensure this is the correct Target share. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After purchase, the position appears in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A helpful link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps as shown.